My greetings. I'm Arina Найко from Form, and I'm glad to represent my work. I assume that the topic of my project is really appropriate for our condition, especially now, so I hope that it will be interesting and captivating to you. The topic of the project: how stress affects your brain. Are you sleeping restlessly, feeling irritable or moody, forgetting little things and feeling overwhelmed and isolated? Don't worry, we have all been there. You're probably just stressed out. Stress is a natural physical and mental reaction to life experiences. Everyone expresses stress from time to time. Anything from everyday responsibilities like work and family to serious life events such as new diagnosis, war, or the death of a loved one can trigger stress. But when it's continuous, the kind most of us face day in day out, it actually begins to change your brain. Chronic stress like being overworked or having arguments at home can affect brain size, its structure and how it functions right down to the level of your genes. Stress begins with something called the hypothalamus-pituitary adrenal axis, a series of interactions between endocrine glands in the brain and on the kidney, which controls your body's reaction to stress. When your brain detects a stressful situation, your HPA axis is instantly activated and releases a hormone called cortisol, which primes your body for instant action. For high levels of cortisol over long periods of time wreak havoc on your brain. For example, chronic stress increases the activity level and number of neural connections in the amygdala, your brain's fear center. And as levels of cortisol rise, electric signals in your hippocampus, the part of the brain associated with learning, memories, and stress control, deteriorate. The hippocampus also inhibits the activity of the HPA axis, so when it weakens, so does your ability to control your stress. That's not all so. Cortisol can literally cause your brain to shrink in size. Too much of it results in the loss of synaptic connections between neurons and the shrinking of your prefrontal cortex, part of the brain that regulates behavior like concentration, decision-making, judgment, and social interaction. It also leads to fewer new brain cells being made in the hippocampus. This means chronic stress might make it harder for you to learn and remember things, and it will also set the stage for more serious mental problems. The effect of stress might filter right down to your brain's DNA. The most powerful weapons are exercise and meditation, which involves breathtaking deeply and being aware and focused on your surroundings. Both of these activities decrease your stress and increase the size of hippocampus, thereby improving your memory. So don't feel defeated by the pressures of daily life. Get in control of your stress before it takes control of you. Don't worry, be happy. Thanks for your attention. Good luck.